Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Debby Ryan's 16 Wishes outfit on Dress to Impress. I did use one VIP item, but you can substitute it with any other jacket that you'd like to use. Removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on as per usual. For the hair, I used this hair in this color and then, wait, I think I did this color and this color. And no bangs, did not do any adjustments, and then I used these bangs in just in this color and then the rest in this color. Position the Y to 0.53, Z 0.51, and then I used this in just this color. For the headband, I used this one in default in white and glitter. Position the Y to 0.55, Z 0.49, rotate the X to 0.48 and scale it to 0.48. Grab this flower necklace, color it white, position the X to 0.28, Y 0.27, Z 0.34. Rotate the X to 0.52, Y 0.56, and rotate the, scale it to 0.73. Then for the outfit, I used these heels in this color in metallic to give it that sheen look. I used this dress, I didn't change the color and just colored it glitter. Then I used these in this in glitter. Maybe make it a little bit darker but not super dark. Then I am going to get this cardigan, but you can replace it with something else if you'd like to. Color it this color in glitter. Again, I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. Maybe in 333, both in glitter. And then I'm just going to add this necklace in gray. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.